Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can calculate the total number of cores in Azure Databricks. So to calculate the total number of cores in Databricks, we need to see what kind of machine we are using and the type and the number of workers we have selected. So machine wise, like I have selected 16 GB memory and 4 cores, and worker wise I have selected minimum worker as 2 and maximum worker as 8. So if you talk about the formula to calculate it, we need the total number of workers, then we need to multiply total number of workers with the core. And as we discussed, right, if I talk about the workers, we have minimum 2 workers and maximum 8 workers. And if I talk about the core of machines, core per machine is 4, if you see the selection here, right? Now, based on this given formula, total number of worker multiplied by the core per machines, we can have minimum worker cores as 8, okay, and maximum can be 32. The same information you can see in Databricks compute page as well. So if I show you, we have a summary there where you can see we have selected 2 to 8 workers and cores are 4. So you can see here 8 to 32 cores. So in total, in total we can have 32 cores, worker cores basically for the given cluster configuration. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.